Introducing GPT-5, ChatGPT's smartest, fastest, most useful model yet. With built-in thinking, GPT-5 delivers deeper reasoning, faster replies, and more relevant answers every time. Excited, experience the next leap in conversational AI. First, let's open Google and search for ChatGPT. Click on the very first link you see. Don't worry, I've also included the official link in the video description for your convenience. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, click on Try ChatGPT to get started. Now let me introduce you to GPT-5, OpenAI's smartest, fastest, and most useful model yet. GPT-5 is designed with advanced reasoning and built-in, quote, thinking capabilities, so you get the best answers every time. On the main page, you'll notice that OpenAI now offers both ChatGPT and ChatGPT+, but with the introduction of GPT-5, you get access to the most powerful version of ChatGPT ever released. Let's explore some of the new features. First, you'll see the option to add photos and files directly into your chat. This means you can upload documents, images, or data, and GPT-5 will help you analyze, summarize, or learn from them instantly. You can also create images right inside ChatGPT, making it easy to visualize your ideas or bring your creative projects to life. One of the standout features of GPT-5 is Think Longer. This allows the AI to take more time to process your request, giving you deeper, more thoughtful answers. Perfect for complex questions or when you need detailed explanations. There's also a deep research mode, which helps you understand even the most complicated topics with clarity. Now, let's click on More. Here you'll find additional tools like web search, which lets you get up-to-date information from the internet right inside ChatGPT. You can also use the Canvas feature to brainstorm, organize ideas, or create mind maps visually. But what really sets GPT-5 apart is its integration with cloud services. You can now connect your Google Drive, OneDrive, and SharePoint accounts directly to ChatGPT. This means you can access, analyze, and work with your files from these platforms without ever leaving the chat. Let's see GPT-5 in action. I'll start by asking a question. What is the difference between ChatGPT-4o and ChatGPT-5? Just type your question into the prompt bar and press Enter. Instantly, GPT-5 provides a clear, detailed comparison. For example, GPT-4o, where O stands for Omni, was designed to handle text, images, and audio in one model. It was a major upgrade in terms of speed, cost-effectiveness, and multimodal capabilities, optimized for real-time use and released in 2024. GPT-5, on the other hand, is the next generation of AI. It's built on a new architecture, trained with even more data, and features broader reasoning skills, better instruction following, improved logical planning, and more nuanced understanding. GPT-5 has enhanced memory, adaptability, and can handle multimodal tasks with even greater accuracy, especially when it comes to interpreting images and generating rich, detailed text. Released in 2025, GPT-5 is truly a leap forward. In simple terms, GPT-4o is a fast, versatile, multimodal model, while GPT-5 takes things to the next level with sharper reasoning, deeper content awareness, and more stable, reliable instruction following. Let's try another example. I'll type, "What is Bitcoin?" and press Enter. Within seconds, GPT-5 gives a clear, easy-to-understand explanation. If you want to go deeper, you can ask, "What is the future prediction of Bitcoin?" and GPT-5 will generate a detailed answer. If you find the explanation too complex, just type, "I can't understand, please create a graph," and GPT-5 will instantly generate a visual representation, such as a chart showing Bitcoin's predicted trends from 2025 to 2030. This makes it so much easier to grasp complex information at a glance. Now let's create a presentation. In the past, you might have needed separate tools like Gamma or Magic Slides to make presentations. But with GPT-5, you can do it all in one place. Just type "Create a presentation about Bitcoin," including at least 8 slides and graphical representations, and press Enter. GPT-5 will analyze your request and, within seconds, generate a complete presentation with slides and visuals. You can download your presentation with a single click and open it to see the results. It's truly amazing. No need for extra apps or complicated workflows. Let's move on to image generation. Click on Add File, then select Create Image. Here you can choose from a variety of styles, such as cyberpunk, anime, dramatic headshot, coloring book, photo shoot, retro cartoon, 80s glam, art nouveau, and synthwave. Pick the style that fits your needs. Now let's try a prompt. A hyper-realistic photograph of Imran Khan, former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Supreme Leader of Iran, and Donald Trump, President of the United States, standing side by side inside the Pakistani Parliament building. Type this into the prompt bar and press Enter. In just a few seconds, GPT-5 generates an image that looks like a real photo, created entirely by AI. The quality and realism are truly impressive. Let's try one more. A hyper-realistic photo of the President of Ukraine and the President of Russia, face to face. Again, GPT-5 quickly generates a powerful, lifelike image based on your prompt. With GPT-5, you no longer need to purchase separate image generation tools. Everything you need is built right in. To sum up, GPT-5 is packed with features that make your work and learning easier, faster, and more creative. You can generate images, create presentations, search the web, connect your cloud accounts, and much more, all in one place. It's time to upgrade your workflow and experience the future of AI with GPT-5. Give GPT-5 a try today and see how it can transform the way you work and learn. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad for more updates and tutorials on the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.